Hi there, I'm Christina, Marketing Executive at Commusoft, with this month's Field Service News and Insights. As you can see, we're back recording from the office, and I sincerely hope that you're also going back to some sort of normal. However, in the meantime, it's normal to see a little bit of a slowdown in business. This is why we've decided to cover reliable recurring income, because this is how strong businesses survive in challenging times. They have sources of income that come into the bank, regardless of whether it's a good month, bad month, slow time, fast time, good weather, bad weather, whatever it is, these businesses have a cash flow. So how do you earn reliable recurring income? Well, if you click the link in the description, you can go to our blog and learn a lot of detail about each and every source. But today, I'll just go through three major ones: winning contracts, getting people to come back to your business, and good paperwork practices. Let's get going. So, the first source of reliable recurring income is winning property maintenance contracts. Now, maintenance contracts can come off as a lot of hassle. You have to write a proposal, you have to wait around, you have to compete with other businesses that are very similar to yours. It's a lot of work. But having the right balance between individual customers and business customers is what helps businesses survive hard economic times. The best way to win a contract is to write a good tender. Now, the point where a lot of field service businesses go wrong in writing their tenders is the fact that they talk a lot of talk, but they don't really show how to walk the walk. When you write a tender, make sure to include the following: digital paper trails, hard numbers and statistics about your work history, your success rate, planned preventative maintenance, service level agreements, paperwork methodology, scheduling, and oh my goodness, so much more. If this all seems like a lot to take in all at once, check out the link in the description, which will take you to our detailed article on how to win contracts. Let's go over to number two. Number two, getting people to come back to you. But how do you do that? Well, a very easy way is by sending them a reminder. Make sure that when you install a new appliance, you offer customers service work as well. So for example, 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, you can offer them an appointment where you come and check up on their appliance to make sure that it's working properly, that it's not using up more power than it should. Make it into a sales tool. But at the same time, don't forget to send that email, because customers are not going to remember to come back to you. This is why customer communication is key if you want people to hire you again and again. Third and final thing is good paperwork practices. I know paperwork is not exactly the most exciting thing in the world, but at the end of the day, if a business wants to survive, it needs to stay organized. And good paperwork practices ensure, for example, that you are ordering the right parts through purchase management, that you are sending the right invoices to the right customers, and this way avoid late payments, and that you're also gathering feedback, accountability data, as well as those statistics we mentioned a bit earlier. And there you have it, 3 sources of reliable recurring income that put money in the bank every single month: contracts, service reminders, good paperwork. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm Christina, Marketing Executive at Commusoft. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for our next one. Bye!